car almost didn't start. Jeez. A lot of y'all have been asking for Civic content. And we have Civic content, so. Oh yeah. Over here rubbing. Angle's good. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of can't talk. I'm getting a lot of questions about, oh, where's the Civic content? Where's this and that? Jesus Christ. Flashbang. But it's just been sitting. Battery's been dead. But it's kind of really just been sitting, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. So, I'm gonna stretch its legs for a little bit here. Just drive down to the gas station, put some gas in it. It's getting kind of cold and my gas is kind of low, so I want to at least have some fuel in the car for when it gets super brick out. Hopefully my side skirt doesn't fall off as well, because that would be so tragic. Tires are definitely soft. It's drizzling, man. Hopefully they're not dry rot or anything. With the car just sitting. We're gonna take it nice and slow. Hopefully make it to the gas station and back. That is the goal for this video. Just no complications whatsoever. Hearing some weird noises, bro. What the fuck? What the hell that noise is? Angle's looking good. Yeah, this video is gonna be pretty short, guys. I'm really just gonna go get gas. Kind of give you guys an update on where this car is. Again, it's just been sitting. Just to get videos out. I really just have the BRZ to drive around and do that with, so that's just good. But yeah, just gonna fill the gas up a little bit, call it. Hopefully my side skirts don't fly off here, because that would be so tragic. I gotta find a way to like secure them better, because like they just fly off at a slight gust of wind, bro. Shit's rubbing so much. So bad. All right. I'm scared to turn the car off. I don't know if it'll turn back on. That's why we got this right here. Little jump starter. All right, let's go put gas in the V. Damn. Sheesh. Turned on, let's go. All right. Took some videos of cinematics real quick. Civic does look very good. Need some body work, of course. All this, the typical stuff that I've been saying for years. Oh, oops. All right, let's take her home. Dude, it's a freaking rug. Sun does a little bit. I'm praying my side skirt stays on, bro. I really need to find a way to secure them. Because like the little tabs that it connects to, it just slides off the tabs. Come on. Take that turn nice and easy so our beautiful side skirt doesn't launch off. Yeah, like I said, guys, just a quick little video. Stretching the Civic's legs. I know you guys want more content with the Civic. I know you guys don't really care for the BRZ content. But for the guys who are here for the Honda, try to put out more videos for y'all for that. And of course for the Subaru BRZ guys or the GR86 guys, I'll continue to put out more content for that as well. So I'm definitely gonna buy newer tires for the Civic, because the tires that I did get mounted on these wheels are they were used and they just haven't really been driven on that much. So just in case they are somewhat dry rotted, might as well just buy some new ones. I'm probably gonna go for more stretch again. I don't know what tire size I'm gonna go with. These are currently 195, no, 205 45s, I believe. And like, they're a good tire size, but I really want to go for more stretch and go for that old setup I had with the Rotas. So I might go try to find 165 45 or 165 40 and just do some semi-aggressive stretch. And I feel like then it would be more acceptable now to do that, considering this car really just stays local. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. For the new viewers, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, sub. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.